Hey, you want to make sure your system is stable and you don't know how? Easy, you can use OCCT, and I'm here to explain the software for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to Vectra. As I said in this video, I'm gonna explain OCCT. First, click the link down below to come to this website, then click download, and here just understand and hit download. Wait for it to complete this download. Here we are, then click open. It doesn't need any installation, just click open and the system gonna start running. As you see here, we have stability tests, and these are the tests. You can use CPU plus RAM, CPU only, link back, memory, 3D adaptive, which is your GPU, the VRAM for your GPU storage, or even power. And here there is monitoring only if you want just to see just the monitoring like this up here. Then benchmark if you want to benchmark your PC. Also here is the full list of monitoring to see every detail about your PC, and there is system info so you can check your system information, and there is the settings. If you want to change something in here, I recommend it just to keep it as default. Then to perform a stability test, you came here, then you choose the time. This is the hour, this is the minutes, so I recommend you to do 30 minutes if you want to perform the full test. I'm gonna use just 10 minutes for the video. Then you click here to combine, and you check all these boxes to perform a test on every component of your system. Then down here there is more details you can change. As you see, I just recommend you to keep the default because it's the best in terms of stability test. Then after it you will just click start and you wait for 10 seconds and you click start again. So we're waiting here for 3, 2, 1 and hit start. As you see, the test has been started. So for your valuable time, we can go all the way to see the results. So here we are in the middle of the test. I just want to mention to you to keep an eye on your CPU temperature as well as your GPU temperature. They should not bypass like 90. In some Ryzen CPU you can reach 95. If you want to reduce it to 70 or even 80, you can just check our PBU guide. It will be up in the card and down below in the description. Also here is the memory temperature and your full system power consumption, as you see. So here we are after the test. As you see here, no error detected. So if your system is not stable, it's gonna crash to the blue screen, or just reboot the whole system without crashing, or close the application. If none of this happen and there is an error, it's gonna be mentioned here. So I recommend you to do this test once in 3 months or 4 months to make sure that your system is still running well and your temperature are in the safe zone. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the other one.